Alright, recording the sewer line here at 4609 Densmore. It's a shared line with 1624 North 46th. I've got the camera pushed all the way out to where the hose is stuck in the bottom of the pipe. We're going to come back from there. I've got another video that shows the last 2 feet or so of sewer line after where that hose got stuck before you hit the main. So I know there's only about 2 feet past the main there once you get out there. So this is that shared line. You see the hose that's stuck in there. Pause the video right here. Okay, so that's our trench spot there, where that hose you see sitting in there. Coming back still through this 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. And that's where the 1624 house joins. We'll pause the video here and locate it. Okay, we've got that spot located. Coming back into clay pipe there. Back into concrete again. Big hole in the bottom of the pipe there. Go locate that spot in a minute here too. And then back into the 4-inch liner that was installed. This homeowner had a liner installed previous. So liner ends there. And this has all been replaced already. So put together a bid to replace the rest of it. And back into the PVC up here by the cleanouts. And that's where I made this recording from today. Ending the video there.